Hi guys, today I'm going to create a ceiling for my CR using this leftover of Hardiplex. First, you have to put cover so that dust from there when you are drilling the wall, fall down here, you can prevent some of the dust falling in the tiles. We are going to use metal paring and we are going to put it here, hook screw all around here so that we will be able to install the Hardiplex ceiling over. Okay, let's start. I finished marking them all. See? Now, there's a line.
Wow!
Line all over. Now, we're going to install this paring like this.
Wow!
These materials I'm using are all leftover. There's a proper materials that we can use for this, but these are only leftovers and we're not going to use it, so I'm going to use it here. So it is not being thrown away. My hands are tired, so I cut the star screw and put it here.
Wow!
Tighten all the screw. All metal parings are installed
Wow!
in the wall here. Now it's time to put the paring crossing here. Two paring. It's all installed now.
Wow!
Now we're going to install the Hardiplex. Install 3 scraps of Hardiplex there.
Wow!
The problem now is the light. We have to transfer the light here, so we have to remove it. It's really dark now. Camera is busted. I don't know if I can fix it, but here you go. I've installed all the scrap Hardiplex.
Wow!
This portion is not yet fixed for being rebits. My wife said she will buy molding to fit there. So tomorrow we're going to buy molding and we're going to put it there in the corner. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos to come. Have fun and enjoy watching.